Hey, what's up you guys? It's Zach with PCBros, and today I'm going to show you how to get animated wallpapers for absolutely free. And I'm going to show you how to do it in 3 easy steps. Step 1, we are going to go down to the search bar on Windows. This works for both Windows 10 and 11, and we're going to click on Microsoft Store. This should be pre-downloaded on your computer. Once we open the application, we're going to type in Live Wallpaper. And we are going to go down and download the desktop Live Wallpapers app. Once it's downloaded, it should look something like this. There's some pre-downloaded wallpaper options here. Right-click on your desktop and click New and Folder. This is going to be the place where we're going to put all of our wallpapers once they are downloaded. So let's go ahead and rename it. Right-click, rename, and we're going to name this Live Wallpapers, just to make it easy to find. Now, there are many ways to get free animated wallpapers. Wherever you want to get it is just fine, as long as you download the MP4 file. Once you have downloaded the wallpapers you want, go to freeconverter.com. We need to convert this MP4 file into a WMV file. That is the type of file that the free Windows software will support. So it's as easy as dragging and dropping it in. And you want to go to Output, WMV, and Convert. Once it is converted, you're just going to download again, and this will download that file that we want. Once you have your converted video files, we're going to go to that folder that we made earlier and drag it in. After that, we are going to go back to Desktop Live Wallpapers, go to Collections, Browse, Desktop, and then open that Live Wallpaper folder. After that, just click on the one that you want, and it'll set it as your background. As you can see, it is animated. I recommend while gaming to pause the animation so your game doesn't lag or drop any frames. And if you want to stop the animation altogether, just click the stop button and then it'll go back. Hopefully this was helpful, quick, and easy. Let me know in the comments what other PC related tutorials you want to see.